How to autofill serial number in MS Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Excel on your device. After that, simply click on any one of the cell. Type 1 and 2. Then after select both the cells together. After that, simply double click on the plus icon and as you can see the serial number appears automatically. Now the second method is to simply erase the 2 in the second cell, type equal to 1 plus and click on the cell above. Then after hit the enter key and as you can see, once you drag after it, serial number is automatically filled. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to autofill serial number in MS Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.